Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Snapchat Web. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar simply type in Snapchat Web. And once you do that, here you'll be seeing the link that is web.snapchat.com, and then simply tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you'll be seeing something like this on your screen. Now all you gotta do here is simply tap on the three dot icon on the top right corner of the screen, and once you do that, here you'll be getting these options, and among them you'll be seeing this option that says desktop site. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be sent to this desktop site. Now you'll be able to log into Snapchat Web. Now all you got to do is tap on your username, enter in your username, and then tap on next. Then you'll be asked to enter in your password, and then tap on next, and you'll be finally be able to log into Snapchat Web. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.